check if it works. Okay, everything works. Okay. Hooray! We can start doing things today. Today will be a bit different from the previous stream because I started working on a new project, and that's mostly because I mean 3D game is really hard for solo developers, so yeah, of course I did finish a bit the project. There is project on itch.io. You can check in the comments if you want, but for now the project is on hold. I mean, I will probably return to it if I would be able to like buy assets for it. But for now, I won't. Hi Shrubia. Okay, so today we will be doing the card game. Really interesting thing. So yeah. I'm not used to that. But I think everything works fine, so it should be okay. Okay, so let me check for the features that I need to do. From what I saw, it's we need to create a new card that will be all the time on the board. It will be something close to the commander, but it's like it's a fusion between the commander and the ruler from the Force of Will and Magic the Gathering. Okay, so let me check the Discord. Okay, so the thing that I need to do is to pretty easy. The first one is to because for now it looks like this. I need to click a button to summon a realm, and realm is generating the resource in this game, and there's simple mana, but I need to click it first, and there it goes to the stack. I will do this other way around so that it will spawn automatically. That's first thing, but another one is the I need to create a ruler that will start at the board, and I've tried doing something like this. There is like Vampire Lord, it's just for the testing, and it needs to start at the start of the battle, but for now he doesn't have any stats, but at the same time I don't want for him to have any stats. Like I think I need to create a different data for that, so we will probably start with that, because there's like game logic effect that kills if the card, I think there's damage, there is, okay, kill card, okay, never mind. Probably there is like rule state action that just destroys everything. Of course I'm using the framework for the card game. Without it I wouldn't be able to create like prototype in like almost 2 weeks. So this is like 2-week project for now. Oh, no one drop. So it does look like this. Of course those are like realms or lands. I'm using realms in the game, but probably I would refer to it like lands, because it's mostly inspired by the Magic the Gathering. It's like I don't have lands on the hand. That's like a big thing for me. So I can just, and of course I can tap those to gain the mana, but I can as well do things like it will automatically tap. I mean, that's the whole topic for the game. It should be like easier for the newcomers, but at the same time I want to keep the responsive, like the stack. Of course it will be like simplified in terms of it's just you can respond to things, but you cannot hold priority like you would in like Magic the Gathering or the Force the Wheel. It just, if an enemy plays a spell, you can respond to it. If you don't, it resolves. Nothing more. It's just you can do the typical Magic the Gathering or other games, know you or I counter this, but that's just for keeping the responsiveness in terms of like this, and not like I'm playing this and I will hold the priority and play that with. I mean, from what I ask people, it's not like it's used very often, but it can be used. That's why I just don't want to use that in the game. Same as well of the whole phases. I'm not giving player option to response in like start of the turn, so no upkeep or something like that. And at the same time, there's like types of effects. The enter is like automatic effect. At the same time, the other things like end of turn, they are just automatic and trigger abilities, and they just don't go through the stack. So it just, you can respond to player, but you can't respond to things that just happens, and you knew about them. Like if the card says at the end of the turn, for sure it will happen at the end of the turn. If you did not respond before the end of the turn, that's your fault. I don't think you need like wait a bit longer for that to respond to. I mean, maybe, I mean, you could in those games, but it's just more steps to do same thing, just wait a bit longer. So I just want to omit that. And that's mostly what I want to do with this game. So that's why the thumbnail was the Magic the Gathering Force of Will. And Yugi is mostly because the combat was simplified as well, and like my friend showcased me the simple Yugi combat. I know not all of the decks uses the combat, but it's like you say I will attack with this creature, and if there's no response, they fight. I wanted to do the same, but just with one more step in terms of blocking, because I want to have the ability to block, and I want to have an ability for the creatures to attack each other. Of course, with the caveat that the creature that you're attacking is tapped. So that's the game. So yeah, Force of Will, Yugi, Magic the Gathering, and some of like my ideas will be there as well. So I mean, that was a good section. Probably can be used in like long form. Okay, so now, so I will be ending the stream, right? I've done what I wanted to do. The like form for like YouTube video. No, of course I'm joking. Okay, so let's start working on the project. Okay, there should be like it was way worse. I mean, the plugin was pretty good. It helped me to start the game really quick and test like things, but I mean, that's a lot of code. I mean, the problem is not the amount of lines, but the problem is like it's just one single file. So okay, so I need to check and turn, and there should be like, because when creature, there's a moment when the creature will die, and I want to see like how can it like die. But that's tricky. Maybe it's like in card data. If it's like creature, it should die. I just want to create a type that's not going to die but will stay on the board. So like there is like hero, and I want to do thing like that but without it. So first I can try to do things like spawning it on the battlefield. I will do like 10-10. Probably it won't start. I'm not sure if it worked like that. Yeah, there's no vampire lord on the battlefield. So at the start of the game, so there we're in game logic, start game, and for each player we need to spawn the, I'll probably play like okay, let me refill the water, BRB. Okay, I'm back. Okay. The chair, the sounds. More chair sounds. Okay, so of course there is like Discord for this. So I think that there was like option for that, like, oh yeah, there is like add heroes on the board, and I know it's like simple. It's a board card, so it can like go to the board. Let's go with, but for example the land is not board card. Probably I'm checking if it's like, because I don't want it to be a board card, but I want it to like be on the field. So yeah, so we just do things like for each player we will just add I think I need to create like a custom board. I mean, I will start with that. It should be probably... It's like... There's hero slot. I mean, it probably will not be on the... Oh, there are. Oh, they do not have power. Because, oh, so if they're not creature, they... Oh my god, that changed a lot. Okay, so they're in the battlefield. Cool. So there's like board settings. Okay, this is like this. Those are the slots. I need to think a way through that system, because it's using like this to keep the positions, and I would just want to have like one place for a card. So I need to find how it's like communicated. So probably it's just... No, okay. Although those are the effects. I'll be probably clicking a lot Windows button because I'm daily driving other system. So it's like... Okay, so it's just like board deck, player zone, lands. Okay, so it's like... This is the board slots group. This is like P slot. And okay, this one does not have like a lot of data. And if I want to see the implementations, it's like slot... Oh, there's board slate player. What's that? Oh, it's... No. Oh yeah, this is player one. So I could just put it range X, range Y. Maybe it's a good idea to do like... You can attack the creatures, like the rulers. So it would be... Yeah, it's a good idea. Like, there's question before about like why I just cannot, but it will like 3-1 opponent. But can I like put, because it's a slot, a visual zone that can be attacked by opponent card too. So, for example, this is like 3-1, and this is 3-1 as well. It's as well. So, can I just spawn? Hi, Glamour. So probably I can... Oh, there is like... XY. If it's board slot layer, how it's... Because there's like player controls. How does it... Oh, it just... Oh, my... Wait, what? Okay, it just takes from this. So... Can I just go like board player? Wait, where's my IntelliSense? Oh, there is board slot player. Opponent, but how does it doesn't know. Okay, update on ability, damage, get effects. I don't want to get those. I want, oh yeah, more get. Does it take, oh my god, okay, there's player already, okay. So it will be player. There's player? There's player. Where's player ID? Oh, there's player ID. And it returns... So, what's the slot? Oh, this one is the slot. Okay, that won't be that easy. It's for size, right? Oh, it's not even using this. It's not even using this. Fun. Okay, so this is the B slot, and this is like... So how does the other one looks like? Like this group, it's on connect game. Oh, on connect. It's in group. I want to be able to just, so it should be just, maybe I would just like to slot, board slot, type, like this will be player self, and I would just decrease the lengths. Wait, this, oh, like lengths, I will decrease the size of this. So like 10, like 18, and 18 as well. I'm just spacing. So, do I just... No. It should like decrease its size, right? I don't need to change anything here, so... So it should like 18, that's a collider, and 18 like this, and it should probably... Or maybe it's just... Because how does this looks like? It's like... Oh my god, it's... Wait, really? Oh, there's sprite renderer, okay. So, where is the... Wait. There's slot, this is the slot long. But here I can draw mode sliced, not appear because this is not used. I mean, why I should care? Board slot. Yeah, exactly. Oh, it broke. Never mind. Okay, so it just like the graphic is that long, right? Yeah, it's just a graphic. Yeah, I will just ignore this. Let's revert that. I will just move it like this. I'll create a board. There should be like slot, probably. Yeah. We'll put it here. Move it like there. We'll use the snapping with like 0.1. Okay, like this. It's just for testing. Okay, so here this will be like player self, and I would like to put something here, but I just don't like the way that it needs to be like to have like slot. So because I'm adding it, right? And when I edit the slot, it's probably like some logic happens. Let me check. I will just add it to the board and nothing else. Okay, so let's see. Problem within min max set for those values. Okay, sure. But it did spawn it over here. Do I even like? I mean, it's not like error. It's like there's player here, and you just. I mean, I probably can like ignore that. Because I think it did spawn both players here. So if I do the same for this one, so lens player was like minus 2. Like this, so this will be like 2.5, and I will copy this and try to like invert it and do the minus, right? This, and do the player opponent. Enemy player. Okay. Let me check if they will go to the each on side. That would be. No, I just went both, I think, to this slot. Yeah. Okay, so okay, so this is like how it looks in the network. P values 0, 1 represents, okay. So it would use the P, right? Yeah, okay, so this is how it goes. So let me check one more thing. Okay, so it needs 0 present invalid. Not in use. Could be used for more or different location on the boards. I mean, I think I changed that. Yeah, like this. I could just... This is the limit of the lands, of course, number of slots. Okay, so let me, because this is not valid. The lands are from... I mean, I will keep that. So it'd be like 2020. So it's the same. It just this one checks if it's player and opponent. So I just this. I will remove this one. Okay, so I'll just create another. I mean, I won't bother with this. I mean, it's not like... I mean, it's not like it needs to be on the board. It could be just... I mean, I can just do that. Oh, wrong button. So I will do like this, and this will be like x1 and 3. And here as well. Now, if I will just put it out there, it just... Get P, this is the player, slot, get random, get all. Okay, never mind, I'll just create a... It was like 1 and 3, I think, and it will be like player, I think ID, or like yeah, get P. So right now they should be on the board. And I will probably do the player zone in them. So I will just like turn this off, and I will put them player zone. It's like attack zone? No, it was player slot player. So that was for the attacks, okay. Player zone. Wait, there's one. This music changes a lot, and the compressor, it's not working really well. Okay, so each one of us has this ability. What happened? They both died. What the hell? Probably something about the using ability, and if it dies, it dies. Board cards. So update is them CPU CP. Okay, so that's the case. If it's land, it's it's counting the lands. Oh, in terms of like sizing. Exhausts. I want to know how it dies. So there's like this damage that deal previously free, destroyed. Timer, destroyed, okay. Get HP. So this destroy, but it's like, okay. Kill card, oh there's kill card. Has board card and is damage delayed. I mean, it should check if it's even I mean, there should be cards that are not like impossible to kill. Let me check. There should be like cards. There should be like artifacts or something. Unless this game uses them as like it should be card that okay, like this is board. There's artifact. Require targets, play, has ability, it's equipment. I mean, okay. It somehow probably uses the hero as no. I don't know. It doesn't look like. I mean, it's shown here, so that's fine. But you die at the same time. Why? I mean, I need to think of. I mean, has board card. When okay, so there's like update where it changes that it's destroyed. I don't see here. I don't see here. I see here, but that's like yeah, it's the same. And it only kills the card if it's like it's not has big card is null. It's not okay. So if it won't be the board card, maybe that's the case. I mean, it's not even a board card, so. So wait. Has a board card. Okay, I will just go with the board card will check when it's going to be destroyed by debugging. And wait, what happened to sync request? Sync request. Something happens with. Okay. Is this like the OBS one? Yeah, it's the OBS one. So let's see how it's going to die. Wait. Okay, so if it's not destroyed, so it wants to destroy, but it won't kill card. And from this, so it just in update checks, but like, okay, let me check one more time after this time. So these board cards, those are all the cards that on the board. Darkland, board card, clone, that's a Vampire Lord, and there's a Vampire Lord. Exhausted, destroy through previous. Okay, so it just like it's not damage dealt and has a board card. Why it's removing cards? It's spawning new cards and here it's destroying cards. So it's like refreshing each frame? Okay, so wait, what? Whoa, exactly, it does like this. Okay, so it's refreshing it, and it's not funny because it needs to get all the cards in the board, and those were not. I mean, I'm adding them to the board. So is there like moment when they're cleared or something? I mean, I probably need to do a research on that. Because I would probably need... Like, I would not need to click this, like if I can spawn it, but without, like, any... So let me check how it's looking. So I'm just... So this is how it starts. I'm just adding to the board, and this have a slot. So after a while it just spawns all of them, right? Unequip, get board card, get mirror card, Get realms to pay. Is that... Oh, this is unlike... Oh, this player is sport. Okay, so it's not like here it happens. So probably next step, yeah, exactly. It's like wake up for all of the cards. This is the refresh, so it's tapping. This is like a refresh. Okay, I don't care about this. It's like, okay, never mind. I don't mind this. And this like reduce stats. I mean, I don't see anything that happens. I mean, I probably should just... When there's like slot in card data, right? Yeah. How the board card is spawned? Like... I'm just curious. Okay, so it just... There's the card Y, but I think it should prepare it, right? Oh, it's wavy like this. And there's Y. Okay, so it's like this, but it's somehow like this. Play controls. Okay, so let me check how it looks. There's the card, and it just... Okay, it just stays here. So if I go to the board card, it's the one with the buttons, right? Yeah. And when I go to card Y, it's the one without it, right? There's no abilities. So only the board cards can have abilities. It's brainstorming time only. To be fair. I would want to do like... Or maybe like... it would be like board card from the start. No, it can't, I think. Like... No. Hmm. 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 Maybe like this. Like if I go board card. Like, oh, I clicked scaling, right? No. Maybe. So if I'll put it here, and I will just do the old, not good really. Let me check how it behaves. Wait, I mean, maybe not. Okay, so probably it needs to be like initialized with this. Yeah, it does not have cards, so can I just like force it somehow? No. It's like this is the card and I don't want it to behave like a normal. It should probably. How does the ability works here? So there's like ability patterns. Where are they? Yeah, like this. So it's high. Okay. Maybe I will just copy that. Because what I need is just it to be on the board. Hi, Sentai. Like, this should be always on the board, and it should probably, like, it won't change anything. And, like, favorite Godzilla? To be honest, I'm not sure if I even watched any. I'm not like a TV guy to be all like the normal movies type of guy. So I mean I could watch like a fragments when like my family was like watching it, but I'm not sure if I was the one that just went on my own and watched from start to finish. So I don't know. I mean, I know how it looks like, but the like which one is my favorite or like what's the title of the movie? It's like Oh, it was Hideaki Anno? Do I remember correctly? It's if he's one from the Evangelion. Oh yeah. I mean, okay. I mean, I mostly watch the Godzilla. I mean, not the Godzilla, but the Eva series mostly because it was like recommended to me, and it's not like I like mechas. The only I think almost mecha show that I watched it was like the Gridman series, but it's mostly because the head animation was Miyazaki, I think. From the Trigger studio, and I'm like sucker for the Trigger animation, so if that's probably something that I'm interested in, so oh yeah, I mean, oh, I know how can, oh, I will do it like this. Why then? Like, I would delete those two. Yeah. I mean, yes, I agree with you because I don't have a clue about anything. So, I like I said, I just watch for the animations and stayed for like recap, but you know, it's like Trigger being Trigger. Okay, so it's the port card is not like fully I'll just copy this and create my own because it's fun thing, but I don't want it to be like I mean, it's like Sentai something from like those kind of things in like mechas or like Ultraman or something. Like your nickname isn't like something from this? I just because I think Sentai is like something from something close. I am something familiar with like series like this, but I'm not sure. I might be just like making things out of thin air or something. So if I just remove this as well, probably it shouldn't like do any errors. Oh no. Okay, not like this. Okay, discard this. I don't like how the user interface is handling this. I mean, it's still better than nothing. I can fix that later. The typical fix it later. and it will bite me later. Yeah, it's just it's wait. So if I just remove this, it should be better. No, it's like we play. What's this? Oh, it's Ferret? Or how was the call? Ferret? Pokemon? Fluid, okay. Okay. I almost remembered. That game, I played it a lot. And that was mostly because I was playing it on like Game Boy Advance. And there was like no colored version of the second gen. It was like fire red and like ruby emerald and sapphire, but there was like no gold and gold. Like it was gold, silver, right? So there was like a hack ROM with like shiny gold. But mine version, like my version was like the version was not finished when I was playing it, and it like around like 5th gym, it always failed, and I've been losing my saves, so I've played the early game like a lot. So it should work fine, right? Yeah, I'll just create a board card as a ruler, and that's all. Create FIFA variant. It will be like Traverser in my game. So, Sentai, do you play any TCGs or like card games? So what I'm doing on the screen is like doing my own card game. Traverser card. So I don't need you. I don't need you. Oh, you mean the Pocket TCG? The one on like mobile devices, right? Or you mean like other app? Oh, so for me it's like I did not even like for me the Yu-Gi was like different case. I think I have never played Yu-Gi-Oh, so that's really funny. I think it always like dodged me until of course recently, but I think the first game, like the trading game I played, it was Magic, but it was like because my friend started playing it and I did play with it, and I really liked the games. I mean, it's like it was fun, but of course, like I mean, Magic doing magic things, so I was like, I mean, I think I've got like enough knowledge, and I wanted to try myself on doing the TCG of like card game, and of course I want to have like anime waifus and anime husbandos in the game as like main thing, but at the same time I did like the gameplay of Magic, so there's like I will show you, there's like thumbnail for the YouTube, and I've done something like this where it's like Magic the Gathering here, there's like Force of Will here, and there's like Yugi here. because like I like my favorite like TCG was like Force of Will, and at the same time, like my friends are playing MTG or Yugi. Like there's no one that plays both of them at the same time, and each of the game has its own charm. I mean, of course, Pokemon is another thing. I've played the Pokemon app as well, and I really liked how they handled the game. It's like new game. My friend Ash plays a lot of weird card games on stream using Tabletop Simulator. Oh yeah, but that's yeah. I mean, we wanted to do that as well, but I forgot that Tabletop Simulator is paid. But yeah, and then there's like a lot of add-ons for like. Oh, I mean, I will this copy word transform paste word transfer. Okay. Yeah. That's that. Oh, I even played. I've played on like Game Boy Advance. The it was not even like Advance. I've played on the not color, but there was like I think black and white. There's like I think there was like let me check. Cause I'm like Pokemon on Game Boy Color TCG. I think I played this. Holy, Pokemon is that old in terms of like even the TCG. Because the color was like, which year was it? It's yeah, Europe. It's 2000. Oh my god. Yeah, this one, exactly this one. Yeah, but do you think that the actual Pokemon game is like? I think like the pocket version fixes a lot of things, but of course it shows like how you can destroy other things, but at the same time I mean it's easier to play online, so that's like what like with what I'm coming from. So I'm creating the digital one because I just want to be like for game to be easily accessible, and it's probably cheaper. I mean cheaper, it depends. I mean it's probably cheaper. It's cheaper. Yeah, exactly. Well, like with the energy, but I just like the dynamics of the pocket. It's like quicker, and you have like the digitalized version of the energy. Yeah, but like yeah, the physical has like the energy cards and like inflated HP. You know. So here we will create like just a copy of this, and of course I will be hacking my way. So I'll be doing the traverser. So I'm just laughing because I'm trying to like do a gacha game, but with TCG. But I'm mostly like because I want for a game to be free to play, and I think like most of the anime fans are already accustomed to the gacha systems, so it's, I think, and when I see like people writing like there's like I mean yeah, but hmm, I, hmm. I mean, yeah, but I mean, in terms of like, I mean, you're right. Like, yeah, you're right. But I mean, the way the like TCG and card games are handled are like a bit different, because you get like a big drop of like everything, instead of like gradually getting new content throughout the time. So I was thinking, if instead of like dropping a new set at the same time, right? If you should go like, if you could go with like new characters, new cars, like not in like expansion way, but it's like one by one. So for example, there's like legendary cards in like MTG or like mythics, and they're just like on the banners. And because when you're building the deck, you're mostly looking for the flavor of the deck, and then you're just trying to fill the rest in. So like for example, in the Pocket TCG, you just like need a core that's like the expensive part, right? So like for example, you're doing the old Mewtwo X build, so you need like the expensive cards in like hard to get by are like 2 Mewtwo X and 2 like Gardevoirs, and the rest is like not really rare, right? So I was thinking, if you could be like, you get banners with those insane cards, but the rest are like easily accessible throughout the like lower rarity stuff from the, so you're just pulling for the things that you want, and not like whole expansion and praying for like things that you will get. So you're chasing the cards, like the chase cards are on the banners, and not like you have a chance of getting them. Well, but that's just my idea how to do that. I mean, how I would want to try to do that. And it's mostly because I think like I do like monthlies. As a player, of course, I really like the monthlies. This is not a card. Oh, I think it won't work like this, right? I will try. I don't like how it does. I hate how the things are done in this game. I mean, in this script. I will just delete everything. Wait. Really? Okay. I was like, do I don't remember how to do that? I mean, that's just my idea. I think it should be okay. Oh, and my phone is on the ground. That's, I mean, I just don't like how this is handled. It's like, that shouldn't be. Don't break your phone. I have like a stand for a phone, and it's okay. It works fine, but sometimes I'm just pushing the phone too much, and it just slides from the handle. I will just do like this, and I will start from there. So I'll just add all of those, and I will of course do a little, I can say, cheating. Not like cheating, but it's a trick, because there is like not a lot of things that that Unity can like show me, so I'm just doing things like I can say it's like tricks. So I'm just going here. There is like where's the here? This is how it handles the ID. So I need to replace this with the traverser here. Okay. And now I need to find the traverser card. Here we go. And let's go. So there is this. I need to find all of those. Wait, what? Wait. Oh, I'm dummy. No, I'm not dummy. Huh? There should be a script. Oh, because I'm not I'm doing things. Come on. There's like modifications, but those are different ID, right? There's like removed component. These are all from the parent. I will do this way. Copy component, paste component as new. No fun. You're no fun. Unity. Wait, what? Never mind. I don't understand. I've created a new one, and it's using the board card. So if it's using the board card, it should use it's like this way so this 06, but it's not. Oh, yeah, found it. And I need to replace that with this. Okay. Here we go. there's traverser card. And I will just remove this. So it's using everything from this, and then I will just try to make it work. I really like Junosk. I like his style of music. So there is board card, and I need to set the abilities. So let's check how the abilities are handled. Yuppie! Where's buttons? Like, he's doing everything in update. That's what's worrying me and scares me at the same time. Like, ooh. So he likes if it's selected. So let's selected card player. So let's fit this. So card player and selected. Oh, it's from controls. Okay, that will be harder. And data. I mean, controls are not hard. No, like I see that. And I need to check if it's selected. So, I mean, it should work. I don't know. Data player, it won't. You don't have card waiting. So if string is null or empty, card ID, we ignore you. I just don't like how it's handled everything in update. There should be like one time, like with something like public, inject string card ID. Okay, so like this, and I need somehow to set this up. I'm just wondering how it will look like. Client. I mean, it does get the player, right? So if I will get player hero card ID. Let's see. It's a different way of doing things. Oh no. So probably, yeah, the player does not exist yet, so okay, so how does it check if the player exists? Okay, so of course. Yeah, of course. Yeah, so exactly that's that's the thing. It's like doing this in the update. I would just do like callback to the game. Like probably there's like ready on players ready or something. So let's check this now. It should have one ability. No way, it works. I mean, it depends how you count, if it works or not. Because I just copy everything. So I'll just copy like this all. Now we'll just replace one thing. Because it doesn't have this and this, and the card ID is the player hero card ID. Hi Michi. Wait, why? Oh, because it's taking the board card. I don't care this. Okay, so let's check. Thanks Sentai for the follow. It will be my forever Godzilla fan. That's a way to start a conversation, right? Yeah, and another one. I don't need HP. It's immortal. It's immortal. It's immortal. It cannot die. Okay, so let's see now. I do have cards. I do have cards in my hand. I mean, near my like table, and each time I have like thinking moment. I'm taking my cards and I'm just shuffling it. Like I'm not sure even if you can hear that, but I will try my best to see if you can hear that. So or maybe like this. Yeah, there are cards here. I know. They're always like in a reach of my hands, and when I'm like thinking or doing like I know I'm not writing on the keyboard, I'm just taking the cards to my hand and I'm just shuffling the deck. It's so satisfying for me the way that the cards when like go into each other when I'm shuffling them. I mean, that's mostly because I've played too much card games. Another errors, of course. So okay, so it's just kind of get the board, and of course I don't care. Oh, there's set card. So there's set card is the target position. I don't care about this. Okay. I don't care about the position. And I don't care about the positions. It's never used, so I'm not using this. I can show in a second how the game works, but let me just make it so it opens. I can show diagrams, but I think they will be not like interesting to showcase how the game works. So I mean, the game was playable, like it was. Player the why it shouldn't have a problem with that, right? So there's like object reference, get cards. I think it is the case. It's like this is the card ID, and I think like card. I think the card data. No, card data is for sure not YD. Get card string. Get card. I mean, I can. Is the this here is just a card. Wait, like this. Some of the music's in this queue. I just have like I really like karaoke, and some of those tracks I would just talk with my friend about, like, I will pay you, just create a karaoke app for this, and I will just be happy, and people from like conventions or something will be happy as well because there's another track and I could be just singing and singing. No way! No! How it works, but I mean, that's not a vampire lord, that's for sure. Oh, because he doesn't know, I think. It gets player, it's player, but player, it's local player. I mean, I have all the knowledge that you need, right? I think I need to run this. Like, I will maybe do it normal way, like, if the game client get is ready, on player ready, right? It's when the, let me see when it's ready. It's game client, when it's ready when it's connected. So do I check in other places when it's connected? Yeah, it's connected. It's connected. Connect to server. There's no callback at all. Okay, never mind, I'll just... I mean, there should be option like when unconnect the game, right? Unconnect the game. Because this is almost the same, right? It's connected, yeah, so if I just add unconnect the game and I will just... But it's not like... should be like this. If game is ready, unconnected, and if not, you just do this. And here I will do like this. And I will do set card. And like this. Let me check. I mean, I should just, if I'm setting card, I'm doing like if I card. Okay, arm enabled, alpha target, esport. Never mind, I'll just do this. Now it should show something, I think. No. Okay, never mind. I'll just go with the. Let's go with this. Let's just do the private card. So it will be null, and it will gain the type here. So if the like card if card is null, it will set card. No, I'll just I need to check if it discard OAD equals okay, so this is how it works, okay? So it does not have the OAD. Okay, that should be easy. If card OAD is the same, it returns. And easy. It should be like from the start. Yeah, it should work like that. Of course it can be done better, but oh, that's a nice border. Oh yeah, right. I can check the altered cards to learn about the borders, because I need to find like reference for. Yeah, it works. Look. I mean, it doesn't work. It should have an ability. There is no ability here, Because this one is and this one is the same ability, but it works. So that's good, that's good. So I need to check why it doesn't work, and I probably know why, but yeah, there's like select card, and it only checks the board cards, and that's not good. I mean, that's a different way. But I think I will go with like click the card to like what do you think about the pocket one? Like there's the pocket TCG had like the zoom ins. I did really like this pocket TCG. Like, of course, there will be like. I really liked when you click card and it shows like being like halfway. Let me show you. Like this. I really like this. I'm thinking if I should go like there's like this like captain or something, and you just click it and it will like be zoomed in, because this will be like your main character, right? So this is like your captain. So for example, you will have like a anime girl standing here that will buff your all like creatures. Like let me check if it works. Vampire Lord abilities. Let's go with like, I don't have anything like this, but I will create another one. This auto, and I will just do like banner effect. So this will be like ongoing plus 1/1/1 to everything. So to allies. So this will be for all cards board, but only for mine. It will give attack and death. And I think it should. Oh, this is trigger. I don't need trigger. I need its ally. Oh, no. Like here. And I think it should like ongoing. Oh, here we go. The iris Eurobit. The original Eurobit from Iris. Here we go. That was quick as hell. I do love Iris. She's such a dork. So let me check if it works. So there is card, and if I play this beast, it should be 6/6, right? And there is. Okay, so the effect works. I don't know what happened with lands. Don't ask me. What happened? What? Lance, Lance. Okay, it looks okay. So why it spawns? Holy moly! Why over here? What did I change? Okay, let me wait. Oh, okay, it works. Oh, what? Whew. I have mixed feelings about this one. Oh, it's cover. Okay, I didn't know there is like I was thinking if it's their original and not like cover. Okay, it for me it was like okay. I mean, I really like the visual thing of this. I think that the MV was really good, but I have problem with how it sounds, and I think like the designs are like okay-ish. Like, I mean, the Shiori outfit is nice. The Shiori, let me remember how they did look like. Shiori was pretty okay. Nerissa was, I don't know. Oh yeah, of course. There's like, oh my, this was insane. Like, this outfit is insane. This one is pretty good. This one is okay. This one sucks. I don't like this at all. And I don't like this at all. There's like Hololive Eurobeat remix. I'm not sure if you saw. Like that was like most of like each I think unique song of Hololive members was remixed by I think it was like the guy from Eurobeat, yeah, Turbo A. So this guy is doing those remixes, like all the anime songs. So this guy made with collaboration with the Hololive, or done like official ones. So for your knowledge. I mean, the beat is okay. And yeah, I mean, he was pretty popular, so. And like when I was playing World of Warships, like that was a staple in our game because there's like torpedo beats. When there's like torpedoes coming for you and you're dodging them, there was one guy that popularized putting the Eurobeat music when you're dodging the torpedoes. So it was like we are used to that. Okay, so it's fine, but somehow, what did they change so it broke that much? Oh, I broke this. So it's probably like just one slot for that. I really love Nerissa singing. Bikomachi? Okay, I'm for sure this is the B and this is the Ko kanji. I'm not on a level as the guy from the merch, from the Shuruga merch. There's a guy that learned Japanese from just watching anime. And he's like right now in Japan translating things for people just because he watched anime without the subtitles. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it works fine now. Oh, it's even tapped. No way. Okay. That's something. So I can do the same for this. Like there's like, here's a button that's called is opponent. So I just do the same for this. I don't like this is I hate this. Like I've learned enough coding to know that you shouldn't be doing things like that. It drives me crazy. Okay, so if it's opponent, so it's instance order. Okay. Do you use anywhere the opponent? Yeah, there's if it's opponent, no. Player get opponent. Okay, so yeah, exactly. So like this. Okay, so here there's the player. Do you use the player somewhere? Oh, he's using the player. Player D, Glownemi, się card, równa się. Yeah. Oh, wait. Yeah. Oh, wait. Is this? Which one was this? I'm so into the lore of the Suisei. I'm fan. I'm like biggest fan of her, but like being fan of Suisei is right. Like it's basic. It's just like there are more people that are like not watching anime at all that are like fans of Suisei, so there's template. I really love this music video. Michi, did you watch it? You can check. It's pretty good. Like the music video alone is pretty good. Op player hero, and if not, I will be taking the player hero. That's an ending or something, or is it like the promotional thing? I love floats. Of course, I love them when they do things like this is at position 3.6. Oh, 1. Gotta love those positions. Does it works? It works. No way. It works. Yay! Hooray! Yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah. I'm behind. Yeah, probably from like concert or something. Okay, so this is the captain of the deck, so I can create another one. So I will just copy this. I will call the like Angel Lord or something. I don't know. Angel, like hero, Angel Lord, Angel, just for testing, and he will be from the light theme. And this he will be from the dark theme. I will add it to the deck. Light will have his own. Let's see if it works. It works! Hooray! I mean, the game is playable. Like, that's a thing. It works. So I can just play. I can play the Untried Beast. I will get the 3 damage, but this is a big guy. Yeah, and even lore-wise, it's pretty fun. Like, I spent a lot of time analyzing and reading the comments of Reddit when it came out. Because I like the animation, and even the Suicide was teasing it. There are like 2 things about the songs. Like when I listen to like Japanese songs, there's like the one with stars like Giga are pretty good, and like I've noticed that like a lot of composers right now are doing things like that. But Wicked is pretty good one. Okay, so this one is done, so the game is playable. I have these ones, so let me check my list, because like the Traverser will be like the main cards in this game, so they should look pretty nice. So there's card image, card sprite. So the idea is this will be like you can have one card of this and it will start on the board. So I'm thinking here like nice art of like of anime girl or like anime husbando. That's the idea. So this need to be like all the time on the board. So this is the frame, it's canvas Y. I'm still not really. This is traverser. Where are the abilities? Oh, here. Okay. Oh, marine. Which one is this? Is this the one from the? Oh, this one. Okay. Yeah, but I mean, I like the idea of Camellia being like with Toby Fox, but I think it's okay. The animation is insane. Like you said, the animation is insane. I really like the dot because it's I think dotted. Yeah, it's. I love the style of this, and the song is okay, but I expected a bit more from the combination of those two people. I just watching on other screen the MV. It just I should work, but I'm looking. It's so nice. It's like this one has a card Y. It's from board card, and board card is not like. I think I should just do my own. I will just go with card Y like this, and I will just put it here. Oh, because it doesn't have this one. So I'll just go like this. I was feeling like doing things like that. And I would just use the. Why even there's card Y? Do this use it? No, it's not even using this. Right? Card Y. Oh, it's using it. Or maybe I will want to do this way. Yeah, I will just. I'm going to unpack this. So I'll just use the frame, but I will use the bigger one. Like, I'll just use this. I don't know why no one uses that. Oh, because if it fakes. Yeah, it fakes being big. So if I decrease the size of it, like this, exactly. The shadow is this one. And the glow will be this as well. Okay. I will increase the size of the card a bit. Like this. And I think this is to fake yet 3D. So it should looks. Oh, it looks so much better. Oh, this is the combo, right? Marine. The tree was with Kobo, right? Kanaeru, yeah, it's with the Kobo. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is like, yeah, it's a different breed. Serialized field private part y part. Can we just add, okay. I love the way how you just song request everything to my backup playlist. Because today I created a backup playlist and it was like pretty quick. I mean that was just to do it for stream, and you're doing things like that I would like find it later on. Okay, so let's see how it works now. I don't care about the armor. Oh, there's card sprite, right? Card sprite, get full art, board, frame. Where's cardboard? I don't care about the lance. So you have this face, right? Good art. Game board. Probably I don't care about those. Oh, this, like the fact, like for the Kira, there was, I think there's a case that he, or I don't know, I think Kira was pretty young when he started doing that. I think he's still really young. Kira started doing the like Vocaloid songs at his age, I think 13 and 14. So he was pretty young when he started doing that. But he was taking arts for the music video from, like, I don't know, from one artist. And I think that was like something that like made him not go viral quicker. Like, people did listen to him when they knew about him, but later on it's like I don't care about the armor. Okay, so it works. There's Vampire Lord, full art, there's Angel Lord, full art. Yeah, when he started, he was really, really young. But if I have card Y, it doesn't show me the... So I would like... Oh, it looks awful when the shadow is not being rotated as well. Why it's not rotated? Maybe I just didn't notice. Oh, because it's... Oh! It's not to game object. I will just, probably after the stream, I will just click history and I will just add all of them. So you're doing me a favor, so thanks. I don't care about the armor. Okay, so... Okay, now it looks better, but I don't think it should be tapped as... It's too long. And I will fix that later. I just... Because this card Y and hand card I think is using as well, the card Y. That's a thing that I don't like. Like, why it's not using the card Y as well? Actually, thank you for the follow. How's the day? It's like Michi is a DJ today and putting all the Holo Fire host. I mean, like, from what I know, I'm just a mid Unity developer, so it depends if that's enough to be counted as good. I mean, I have like game on itch.io, and I don't think, I'm for sure I'm not the best, like I'm for sure good at doing things that I want, but oh, Mephisto. Oh, this is cover. Oh, okay, Mephisto. Okay, this is still Killer Queen or B. I still don't remember his or her. Killer B or Queen. Mephisto. It doesn't help me. This ending. Opening. Oh, this is Queen Bee. Okay, it's Queen Bee. I really like his. How was it? The one from the from Nike, the Headless Angel, and I like the cover of this from Iron Mouse, and it's perfect. I will put on song request next. I really do like this cover. There's another good one that Hololive covered, but with there's like someone external as well, but I don't remember now. So there's the Vampire Lord, there's the Angel Lord. I still need to fix because the hand card somehow does have the feature of being like, oh, there's like script for that here. Let me check. Hello, Baka. So you did finish the work, or you're just too tired to home right now? Oh, okay. Guess so. Okay, so this is the hunt, but it doesn't look anything, right? It's just... Oh, it's probably the moving. Okay. So I need to do things like this. So this is the... But wait. Then self-cover shout version to the queue. Non demita. I know. I will wait for that. But I'm not sure if I know this. Oh, because it's self-care. Okay, so if it's selected card, it's probably nothing on the right click. Thanks. That helps me out. And his was the select card. I don't care about almost enter. Oh, I need this one. It's focused. There should be like update for that, right? Oh, not this. Okay, so how the board card just use the focus? It's not using focus at all. Okay. You have to either main or equip card base. Okay, so this is one. So it should get card. And the get card is just card. Okay. So it's probably using like. Okay, so I will just use the hand card thing because I need to use the. I'm still waiting for that sync request, and I'm a bit scared. How does this work? It's like there's like this for. Oh no, I broke the server. Of course, I broke the server. I need to restart, right? This card preview, how it works? Is this... Wait, no refer... What? Okay, bro. Okay, bro. I don't believe. This is the card... What? Whew. Oh, he's just using the... So, which card do you get to show? Show preview. Should show preview, preview timer, okay. But which one do you show? There's card to white. Okay, so this set card, show preview, I card was P card. P card is the hunt card or board card. Okay, so it's like this. Like it's so stupid that it works like this. I think today I'll just remake almost all the project. Okay, so let's go with this. Private public void preview card, and I will give you card. So I will just... Okay, it needs card data. No, it shouldn't. Oh, it needs card data. Okay, so I will do like this. What's the P card and what's the I card? What the hell? What's that? So okay, this for sure is card, and P card is like, what's the P card? P card is the card. So set card, and this is okay, so it's a different version. This is just a preview card, right? It's like, and this is card preview card. So I need those two to show something, right? Okay. So if I show this, oh, this one. Oh my god, this is the Uno one. I mean, just put the original one. Instead of this cover. I mean, this is just like the shitpost thing. I mean, it was not original, that was from author as well, but it was not original, it was version different. Like you're not telling me that instrumentals are like original versions. And this is like different way of this. I know, it's from the... I was just checking each one if it works. It's so hover only. So if I will try something just for test. I will just do a single tone. Oh, I don't remember this one, so it should be interesting. I will just test if it works like I expect it to work. So if focus instance preview card, right, like this, and it should probably disappear. Like, the timer is needed. So after the preview, it will be done each frame. I need to do like a timer that will, like, this is the timer. So I will just do a private void update. I will just create new update, but I will choose the late update. I will put everything here, And I will just do hard return for now. I don't remember that, to be honest. Oh. I forgot to put armrest. Still. I mean, I think I will just go with this. So it's only run when it's the card. So I'll just do... No. I don't like this way. I think it works fine like this. The other. Oh, this one. Okay, I remember this one. I need to count things. This is the preview timer, and this one is for this. I'm still thinking how to handle that. I want to open the... I think I'll just... I'll rest the timer here. And in update, I will just close it. Oh, it's just using the P card. Like, I don't care about this. I know, I should bother with that. Oh, it's checking if iCard is... I just don't like how it's this handled. So it just shows me which card should be shown. I want to use other way of handling this. Like, I want to use the timer. So if the preview timer is longer than delay, it shows. So timer will be always zeroed. Hover only. I do love this one is even used for the White Schwarz card game as one of the arts. Kali, Mori, Red, White Schwarz. Yeah, this is how it looks. And if you get the SSP version, it's signed. It looks like this. It looks insane. And this is the art from this music video. So it hides when it does not need, it counts here. It just doesn't care about this. So you just set the data here. But here I just shows it or not. And I think I can delete this. And I will just say if the P card is... I will attempt to do this. The preview... Okay, yeah. No, it does not... Okay, let's see how many things did broke. Oh my god, the what? Wait, what? Oh, come on, I did not break anything. Oh, it's... Shh, I did break. It's like, I did not break anything. I don't know anything. Oh, it's from the... This one was strange because when you look at this music video, you will notice that there is not even one frame that there is like Mori with the how she was called? Holy moly, I don't remember. With Harley, there is no frame that they are in the same room because the directors of the Harley Quinn universe said that the VTubers cannot enter this universe at any cost. So this music video was almost cancelled because of that. So if you look at this, you will see that there is no one frame that there is Kali and Harley in the same like universe. They're always like divided or something. Okay, I've done something, but it's not working as expected. Is focus. That will be hard, I think. So is focus? Okay, so it's just I have issue with that. Yeah, that's a funny trick about this music video. Yeah, that's a thing. I mean, it's crazy for me, but there was like problem at this level. Mm-hmm. Okay, so it's working, but it's not working the way I want. Oh, there's delay. Okay, I need to, of course, delay is over Okay, because it was 0. Wait, I'm not even aiming at you. What's happening? Like, I'm not moving. Oh, the clicking does. Okay, so. So it was not focused, but it was still running on. I don't like this, so I need to figure out a way. This is like, if the card even exists. That was the case for this, but it will always preview because it's not clicking and it's not dragging, so it should show, but the card that I'm showing is not there. So it should show preview. It should always. I think the timer should be going here. Like this. Show preview, so if. But why? So it should be like this. If it's showing this, it should increase the timer. Oh yeah, the Aiste cover. I was listening today. I was listening that on repeat today. Like lately, I have like 3 or 4 like music that I'm listening to in like repeat. There's like Aiste from Nerissa, the one that you sent. There is the Wild Card from Kira, and there is the Watame Pop. That's made by Watame. So. I'm not clicking, so it's for sure not focused, right? Right? You're not focused, right? Check. Where are you? No, he's not focused. Focus is false. So it's not previewing card. Oh, it's increasing, but here it should. I don't like how it works. It should reset this. So it's you just found out about this, right? This should be false to hide. And delay is the 0.4, and it will be. Okay, because it's for opening, but for hiding it should be... Oh, it should hide... So it should be like this, right? I'm increasing that. I need a show timer and hide timer. It's like, this one is when I can preview, I will preview. Okay, I'll just do without the animation. It's not using anything for the animation, right? I need to hide this card after some time. I need to do something like private void refresh. Because this is the card, and I need to do this like card data, but it should be like here, private card data, card data. And I will just use like this, and I will do that like this. Oh no, I need to like... not like this, I need like card and this like review card. And this is like card data, and this is like this. If preview and like this. Here we go. If it's the same, we are not refreshing anything. Like this. This is perfect. And I will do this other way around, so if the timer is lower than the delay, it will... Okay, but if it's larger, it should disappear. Oh no, 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 no. Oh, I know why. Yeah, it disappears. Now I need to fix the other issues with the hand. So let's see. So I'm just copying this. Okay, so let's see. Did I break anything? Okay, it works. Now I need to think about other things. So I have slow disappearing. Now I need to like other way around. Private float height timer. It's always like true. Hmm. Okay, yeah. This will be probably the last song request because we're almost on 3 hours, so we're ending soon. Let's see how it works. It's not working. Now it's not working at all. Because I'm increasing timer. Oh no, I should be like... I mean, I'm used to that. It's like, it's always like this. .4. Okay, so preview... I should be going this way as well, so this will be increasing, but it will only show when the preview timer is higher than delay, and it will... Okay, when it goes below... Oh no, it won't work like that. So if there's a request, I should be waiting for it for some time. Okay, so if it's first time, it should set the timer up. Okay, like this. Oh. And we'll always reset the timer of the... Okay, so let's see if it works. I hope it works, because it will be last attempt at stream. Oh. Oh, it works. It works. It works. Okay. It not the way that I wanted, but it works. But that's mostly because I don't care about this height timer. I just added it for fun. Oh, I know. If review card is... Oh no. If... Yeah, exactly. If review card equals null, I'll... Nice. I've done it. Okay, so this works like this when there's no card, and if it's... if the timer will exceed, so if it's not show preview, I will just go 0. Okay. Exactly. And it should work like it was working previously. I just love programming. You just do the same thing for like 1 hour to go to to finish the same way. Oh, it's not working. So if there's no card, it shows 0. Oh, but it's always it's the same. And I should be and view card is exists. Okay, now it should work. Oh, why is that working? Because it's first null, so it goes first time it goes 0, and then it just creates. Oh no, okay, it's 0, so it will be counting up to show, but it's already showed value. Oh no, no. This is for sure thing, but I need to check another thing. If it's preview timer. I'll just let. Okay, this is the last. I will be doing that off stream if not. Okay. Thank you for watching, and thank you, Michi, for. Oh, I will ask in private message. I mean, just curious, and that's all. Okay, so thanks, Michi, for the song request, and yeah, I will be going. So maybe this time I will know how to end the stream. But first I need to find. Okay, so for YouTube I can say goodbye now. So bye bye YouTube. Wait. Is my character not moving at all? Hello? Oh my god. Seriously? Wait. How? Oh my god. I mean, it was working. I don't know why. Okay, never mind. I will be streaming and stream on YouTube.